pants. Okay, and what's that missing object? It's a toy gun. Wow, pretty attentive audience. Well, guys, it's your mission to search for that missing gun. Alright, Eric, looks like this is trying to get attention. Yeah. He's been tapping you. Okay. So what is it this time, Eric? And? That's all? Okay? That long? Ang haba ng okay ng silayan. Okay then, Isabel, prove it to us. So Isis, do you think Isabel will get that missing gun? And there you go! Wow! Good job, Isabel. Well, how about another big round of applause for Isabel, guys? And Isis, of course. Better pay more attention next time, Isis. Okay, this time, guys, we will get a volunteer from one of you.